Okay, let me describe the type of work that I'm looking for. As you can see here, the address is this is the address that contains all the results. But in a nutshell, this is an association of senior citizens in Quebec, in Canada, and they provide discounts to seniors. This association provides 1,371 discounts to its member in all regions and all categories. Basically, I'd like to get this page being scrapped, and then just to give you how it works is that you have let's go down to the middle. For instance, this is the name of the company name. And then this is the rebate. Now there's a logo sometimes, and then if you click on this button, and it's the same button for all the partners, you have an idea of what this rebate consists of. This is the rebate ID, and just to give you an idea what this is, and I'll send you this this Excel spreadsheet to give you an idea from what I'm looking for. The name of the merchant, the rebate that the name of the merchant is here. It's actually normally it should be around here. Okay, I could see that it's not in this example. This is a bad example, because if you look at the others, I wouldn't be surprised that you have, for instance, if you come here, you'd be able to see that this is okay. Now this is a better example. This is the merchant name, and this is the address. This is the city, province, and postal code. They can all be into the same field, and there's the phone number. Okay, you can leave the parenthesis or the dash or whatever, that's not important. And then you can see that website, a site web, which means website in English. There's a link to that website. Okay, so this is the information I'm looking for. Name of the company, the address, city, province, postal code, the phone number, URL of the website, and whatever is written between this, these two lines, for instance, everything, that's the rebate detail. Okay, so that's kind of the information I'm looking for from this page that has over 1,371. So please investigate the situation, come back to me with an estimation of how much it would cost to be able to extract that. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.